Hey, you think you're just chilling right now? Plot twist. Your everyday habits are actively working against you. Your daily routine is a slow-motion assassination, and you are the one pulling the trigger. Your body is a piece of hardware currently begging for a software update to prevent a total system crash. The very moments we label as downtime act as the primary catalysts for our physical deterioration. Right now, you are crushing your spine like a folding chair and drying out your eyeballs until they feel like actual sandpaper. Before we expose the rest of this chaos, drop a comment. What is the one toxic habit you know is wrecking you, but you refuse to quit? I'm watching. Welcome to Know It All Doctor. We're here to diagnose these biological glitches. We're installing an urgent system patch to stop your physical hardware from self-destructing. Arrow number 1. Sitting for prolonged unbroken periods. When you assume a rigid 90-degree posture, blood flow drastically slows down and pools in your legs, while your lower body muscles shut off. Look at the lower spine. That same 90-degree position applies localized, crushing pressure directly to your vertebrae. Because your muscles aren't moving, your heart senses the lack of demand and downregulates your overall cardiovascular output. A single hour of physical stiffness compromises your entire circulatory system. Error number 2. Unbroken visual focus on digital screens. This chart tracks eye movement during deep visual focus. When you stare at a screen, your blink rate drops by exactly 60%. This drop in frequency triggers rapid moisture loss and subsequent blurred vision. The dull headache following a long day at the screen is the physical feeling of an eyelid scraping over a dry, unlubricated cornea. This intense visual focus destroys your optical hardware through constant, unmitigated friction. Error number 3. The daily insertion of earbuds. When you seal the ear canal with plastic, you are trapping body heat and moisture inside a tiny, dark cavern. This creates a hyper-accelerated breeding ground for bacteria. You've turned your ear canal into a germ-filled sauna. The long-term consequences include hidden infections and a gradual hearing loss that sneaks up on you over years. Constant earbud use transforms a vital sensory organ into a hazardous bacterial incubator. Error number 4. Engaging your body's sleep mode while lying on your stomach. Sleeping in the prone position forces your spine and neck into an unnatural contortion for up to 8 hours. While sleep is designed for cellular healing, this specific posture inflicts quiet structural trauma instead. Incorrect physical positioning turns your primary recovery mechanism into a slow-motion breakdown of your skeletal system. Continuing these combined habits is a guaranteed speedrun to biological failure. This leads to a future as a half-functioning, chronically pained zombie with a ruined back and a fractured sleep schedule. You can apply the software patch today. Seek out sunlight, remove the earbuds, and fix your posture. Waking up without your joints sounding like bubble wrap is the result of simple physical corrections. Fixing these daily glitches upgrades your human experience and puts life back on easy mode. Stop allowing unconscious routines to hijack your long-term health. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Take control and optimize your biological meat suit alongside others who refuse to let their systems fail. Click the video on your screen to continue leveling up your biological software. See you in the next one.